Hey guys, it's Flashbird, and today I'll be showing you guys how to get subscribers on YouTube fast and easy. Let's get straight into it. So a great way to get subscribers and really just action on your channel is to make content that isn't copied. You can't go to some big YouTuber and copy all of their videos. You gotta make your own and make it unique. Put yourself out there, using stuff like Google Ads or just telling all your friends. You can just go down your contact list and share your channel to everyone. Or maybe play Fortnite and play squads and tell everybody, hey, you guys should subscribe to my channel if we win this match, or even if you don't. Post regularly. That's really a high tier thing you need to do. You need to post at least 3 times a week. It's really going to help your channel to get promoted onto other sources like Facebook and stuff. So you're going to need to at least post at least 2 or 3 videos, minimum of definitely 2, a week. So people will watch your content and know that they are rest assured that they have more to watch in coming days. Would people want to watch your content? You need to be able to watch your videos and say, hey, this is good. Let me subscribe. Because you want to be, you want to know that, hey, this is good. You need to put enough editing and time into it. Make something poppy. If you get like a kill in Fortnite, don't just leave it at that. Put a cool edit on it. Make it slow-mo. Something cool like that. And if you die, maybe put some words like, oh no, GG's, or something like that. Keep your YouTube schedule out there. Have days of the week that you can tell your viewers you'll be doing something, like Minecraft Mondays, Fortnite Fridays, stuff like that. Maybe vlogging Wednesdays. To where you have a video that you know you can publish on a certain day of the week. So your subscribers are like, hey, Mom, sometime today I need to be able to use YouTube because my favorite YouTuber is making a video today. Something like that. Have an intro that people know you by. You wouldn't want to just go, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Me and my friends are about to play Fortnite and get our first win of the new season. Watch this. No, you want to do something like, what's up speedsters, it's Flashbird. Today we will be playing Fortnite with a couple of my friends and we're going to get our first one of Season 6. Let's get straight into it. If you guys did think this was useful, don't forget to like because I'm trying to get monetized before the end of the year. Thank you guys and have a great rest of your day.